All right, today we're looking at the 250 Solstice by Harris. This one is powered with a 300 Mercury V8. This will be a DTS Verado. On the back here in the Solstice, you get the fiberglass couch, which is the sun lounger, multi-position lounger with storage underneath. It also has your USB ports, stereo controllers over there, built-in cooler underneath that far seat. This is multi-directional, so you can lay forward or backward depending on whether your boat is in motion or not. We have a electric sports tower. This boat is equipped with a Simrad as well as JL audio. Again, your digital Mercury shifter, which provides push button start, as well as active trim. Moving up front, you've got JL subwoofer, also floor storage, cup holders everywhere. This one will also be equipped with a lighting package, which is external and internal LED lighting. Check it out at MarineMax.com.